Lawyer leads are too expensive. What do I do? If you're a lawyer and you find out you're spending way too much for you to be able to generate leads, I'm gonna giving you 7 little secret hacks that you should know in order to save down on those costs and be able to get more clients. If you're finding yourself in a situation where you're spending too much to generate leads for your law firm, that means your cost per lead is too high. Again, I'm giving you 7 practical things that I have right here that will save you money and save you a lot of time. So the first point is, if you're spending too much when it comes to your leads, you're probably depending on a marketing company to generate you leads. So ask yourself, am I depending on a marketing company to generate my leads? If it is, that might be the first clue why you're spending so much. With marketing companies, I found out it's usually not as effective as hiring independent contractors and freelancers who are dedicated just to helping you. They usually have less clients. Their livelihood depends more on you, versus a marketing company that could have hundreds of clients that don't nearly care as much as a freelancer could. So, find yourself, if you can, make it work with a freelancer versus depending on a marketing company when it comes to your lead generation. Now, the second reason why your cost per lead might be too high is you're probably not tracking. You don't have your metrics down. What I do is I usually I look at it on a monthly basis, and here's the columns that I look at. Number 1 is your different months, so January all the way to December. Column number 2 is your cost. The third column is number of leads, and that could be broken down into different types of leads. Let's just say if you're doing Google Ads, that could be phone calls, incoming phone calls, and contact form submissions, and that leads to your total number of leads. The next column is your cost per lead, or CPL, which all you do is you divide the cost divided by the number of leads you're getting, which gives you the cost per lead, which is exactly what this video is about. The next column is how many clients are you getting from that source per month, so clients. And the next column is CPA, cost per acquisition. Okay, so just to recap, you have your months, cost, leads, cost per lead, clients, cost per acquisition. These are the metrics that you need for every marketing source that you're doing right now. If you don't have that, well, that's the troubleshooting thing that you need to do from this video. Go ask your marketing company or your freelancer that you're working with, or hire a freelancer to say, hey, go get these metrics for me. Go make sure that it's all tracked. If I'm getting calls, make sure that's tracked. There's the phone service that I'm right now forgetting. What is it called? I forgot it will come to me. And also, every time that you do get a contact form submission, whenever somebody gives you their information, make sure that it's tracked in your CRM and you're able to pull that out from exactly what source, so that at the end of the month, you're able to exactly look up how many leads you're getting, and then you should know the cost, because that should come from your marketing source to give you the cost per lead. And also, you should know with clarity how many clients you're getting from that source to give you your cost per acquisition. And essentially, your entire marketing comes down to 2 numbers. How much does it cost me to get a client, and how much is a client worth? As long as you know those 2 numbers, it makes marketing much easier, and that's how you're able to scale up. Number 3 is make sure that you're following up. Find so many lawyers that generate leads, but they don't have those automated systems to be able to follow up. Okay, make sure you have a program that can send automated texts and emails for you as soon as the lead comes in. A couple hours later, a day later, 2 days later, 5 days later, a week later, a month later, automatically, because most people who come and are interested in your services or what you do don't sign up right away. People have timing issues. Maybe they're not a decision maker, maybe for different reasons, but most of it is because of timing. Make sure that you have these systems to automatically be able to follow up. If you need a good follow-up software, there's a website called Workflow Legal that could set up all this lead automation for you. Go check them out. Go get a demo. They'll show you exactly how it works, and they'll be able to set it up for you. Number 4 is it goes hand in hand with the last one, is you need the lead automation. Again, it's that back-end system to be able to automatically follow up with your leads. So again, I'd recommend Workflow Legal. Go check that out. You're probably doing what everyone else is doing. If your cost is too high, you're probably in a very saturated market, and you're probably doing what everybody else is doing. When it comes to marketing, you have to be a contrarian. You have to either do something differently, or do something new, or do something that's out of the box, okay? So ask yourself, am I doing what everyone else is doing? And really be true to yourself. Are you doing what everyone else is doing? Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not really scalable, because you're in a red ocean Instead, be a contrarian, do things differently. If everybody's writing blog articles, go make videos. If everybody's making videos, write blog articles. Ask yourself, what are people not doing, and go there. And a good book that I recommend for this is called Blue Ocean. Go read that book because it will change your mindset behind this. Number 6, understand that the only constant is change. The only constant is change. If you're doing exactly what you were doing 6 months ago, or a month ago, or a year ago, you will find out that your costs will gradually go up because things that get tapped out, the market becomes more and more saturated. So you cannot be doing the same thing as you were before. If you do have a marketing company, make sure that you're working with them every single month to make revisions, optimizations, changes. If you're doing Google Ads, create some negative keywords. These are the keywords that you're able to optimize to say, hey, don't show my ads to these keywords. Let's add this geographic location. Let's add this new set of keywords. If you're doing Facebook ads, try new niches, new hooks, new things. You always have to be constantly evolving, constantly trying on new things, constantly experimenting, because that's what it takes. People react to different messages. People react differently. Try different things and keep things simple. And number 7 is to read the book Virtual Law Firm Secrets. It's my book. It's a book that I've been able to share about all my life lessons that I've been able to learn about how I've been able to automate the entire process of my entire law firm when it comes to lead automation and everything else. And that will be a game changer. So if you haven't already grabbed that book, the link will be in the description below. Go read it. It's called Virtual Law Firm Secrets. You'll be able to find it on Amazon, because by reading that book, you'll be able to find a lot of epiphanies that will bring down your cost per lead. So just to recap, don't depend on a marketing company. Ideally, work with freelancers and independent contractors. Make sure that you're tracking your cost per lead and your cost per acquisition. Make sure to follow up. Use lead automation softwares such as Workflow Legal. Make sure that you're not doing what everyone else is doing. Make sure that to do things differently, and also constantly change those things, those marketing that you are doing. And number 7, read Virtual Law Firm Secrets. All right. If you got value from this video, take a moment right now. Go ahead right here, give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And because there's plenty of these good videos for law firm owners. All right, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it, go watch it.